Good morning, boys and girls. Hopefully you have attempted to do these math problems on your own, and now we're going to check them. All right, let's look at number 1. Madeline had 3 cookies. She ate all of them. How many cookies does she have now? All right, Madeline had 3 cookies. She ate all of them. Let's circle what we want to know. How many cookies does she have now? All right, she had 3 cookies. How many did she eat? She ate all of them, so that's 3. How many cookies does she have now? All right, let's find the difference between these two numbers. 3 take away 3 is 0. There we go. All right, number 2. Paul had 5 toy trucks. He didn't lose any of them. How many toy trucks does he still have? All right, Paul had 5 toy trucks. He didn't lose any of them, so none of them is 0. How many toy trucks does he still have? So 5 take away 0 equals 5. Number 3. 9 dogs were playing at the park. 6 of them went home. Oh, here, let me underline. 9 dogs were playing at the park. 6 of them went home. How many dogs were playing at the park now? So we want to circle what we want to know. 9 dogs are playing at the park. 6 of them went home. How many dogs are playing at the park now? So we want to know the difference between 9 and 6. 9 take away 6 equals 3. Number 4. Ellie had 8 pieces of pizza. She ate 4 of them. How many pieces of pizza does she have now? She had 8 pieces of pizza. She ate 4 of them. How many pieces does she have now? So 4 of them disappeared. She ate 4 pieces. Actually, my Ellie could eat an entire pizza. All right, so 8 take away 4 equals 4. All right, moving on to number 5. Carl had 7 LRC books. He read 4 of them. How many LRC books does he still have left to read? All right, he had 7 LRC books. He read 4 of them. How many does he still have left to read? So we want to know the difference between 7 and 4. Our answer is 3. All right, let's look at number 6. Colton had 10 apples. He gave 3 of them to his sister. How many apples does he have now? All right, he had 10 apples. He gave 3 of them away. All right, started with 10, and then he gave 3 of them away. You can only eat so many apples anyway, right? 10 take away 3 equals 7. All right, there's a second sheet. Let's look at 7, 8, and 9. Let me make sure I'm putting this where you boys and girls can see it. All right. Number 7. Oh my, this is actually 2 different. Okay, this is actually 2 different problems that got squished together. So let's go ahead and separate them. 4 birds were sitting on a house. 3 of them flew away. How many birds were sitting on the house now? So let's go ahead and separate them, boys and girls. Okay. 4 birds were sitting on a house. We'll solve this one on top right here, okay? 4 birds were sitting on a house. 3 of them flew away. How many birds were sitting on the house now? We started with 4. 3 of them flew away. How many birds were sitting on the house now? 4 take away 3 equals 1. All right, let's solve the 1 right here now. You have 5 pieces of candy. You give all of them away. How many pieces of candy do you have now? You have 5 pieces of candy. How many do you give away? You give all of them away, so that's 5. How many pieces of candy do you have now? 5 take away 5, the difference is 0. All right, number 8. 9 cats sat in a fence. 2 jumped off. Oops, I moved the chair a little bit. Oh, you guys can still see. How many cats are sitting on the fence now? 9 cats sat in a fence. 2 jumped off. How many cats are sitting on the fence now? 9 take away 2 equals 7. 7 cats are still sitting on the fence. Number 9. 6 cars were parked on the street. 4 drove away. How many cars are parked on the street now? 6 cars are parked on the street. 4 drove away. How many are parked on the street now? The difference between 6 and 4 is 2. All right, boys and girls, if it would help you to watch this video again, please do, okay? Because you are going to be seeing lots of number stories on the STAR test coming up, okay? So this is great practice.